Question 4 asked us for the line of symmetry, also sometimes called the axis of symmetry. And that line of symmetry is going to be the vertical line that cuts our quadratic right in half down the middle. And I like to draw that line in, and it's always going to go through my vertex, so I can kind of use that as a point of reference. But I just draw like a dashed line all the way through. And you can imagine that if I folded this or cut this in half, this side is even with this side. So if I folded it over, they'd lie right on top of each other. Well, the line of symmetry has a very specific notation. We have to write it as x equals the number. So we go through the x value of 4, and that is the number that we want. So it's always the x value. That's why I like to draw this in, because I actually hit this number when I go down. And so our line of symmetry equation is x equals 4. The answer choices were pretty tricky because one of them was just 4. So if you didn't write x equals and you just wrote 4. And one of them was y equals 4. So remember, it has to be the x value. It also should match this x value here, so those should match together. And since we're matching the x value, that might remind you that this needs to be an equation starting with x equals and not y equals.